Hello guys, welcome to this Python video, and in this video today we are going to look at Boolean variables in Python. And so open your terminal or your command prompt in Windows and head over to the folder where you want to write your programs or where you've been writing your programs. So we want to create a Python folder where we are writing these Boolean programs. So I'll create a folder and I'll call it Boolean, and I'll go to that Boolean and open it with VS Code. Opening from screen, that's okay. Okay, so I want to name this main file that I'm going to work with index.py, and we are going to talk about Boolean variables. So Boolean has only two values, and that is the true and false. Okay, so we can first test it. There are things that, or there are expressions in Python and in other languages that will always evaluate to these two values. We'll talk more about it in conditions and control statements, but for now, let's look at a statement like print 10 is greater than 9. That sounds true. See? Sounds true. So if we run Python index, yeah, we are getting true without even like writing anything like true. So this is evaluating to true, and true is a Boolean value in Python. So we can also declare some other Boolean variables. For example, we can say is open and equal to false. That means it is not open. And is closed equals to true. So we can print is open. See what we get. We are getting false. Why? Because we said is open is false, because it's not open. But what if we want to do something here called negation? Negation means change this value to its opposite, which is true. So to do that in Python, we use it by using the not keyword, which is a built-in Python keyword. So if we run this program again, we will get true because it is the opposite of this. There are things we want to talk about in Python also. Things like comparison operators. And the first one we will talk about is equal to, which is represented by double equal signs. Then we have not equal to, which is exclamation and equal signs. We have greater than, yes, the comparison operator, which is written like that. And we have the next one, less than, which is written like that. We have the greater than or equal to. All these are not Boolean operators, but they evaluate to Boolean values. So that's why we are talking about them. That is greater than or equal to. And then lastly, less than or equal to. And that is written like that. So these operators all evaluate to Boolean variables. For example, we can compare these two. 10 is equivalent to 9. We definitely know that's not true, so that's what we expect. And it is false. We can compare more things like words, like hello equals to hello. What do you expect here, guys? I think that should be a true, because they are definitely equal to each other, and that's what we get true. The next thing we want to look at the operator, the AND operator and the OR operator truth tables. So we want to look at the AND operator truth table, and in the AND operator truth table, true and true, the best way to visualize this is to leave a space there. True and true will always evaluate to, and true and false will evaluate to false. Here $sign, and then false and true will evaluate to false, and then lastly false and false will evaluate to false. So you can only get true if they are all true, otherwise it is false. Sort of similar to having 0 there, 1. Oh, this is 1. True is 1. Even here, you can have 1 and 0, like that. So you can only get true if they are all ones, otherwise you're getting false or 0. So that is the AND operator, and in Python we write it as AND. Like that, small a. Then we have the OR operator. So the OR operator, we have true or true. Then we have true or false. Then we have false or true. Then we have false or false. And in OR operator, this will be true. This will be true. And this will be true, you guessed it. Only this will be false. So need to put a comment there. I'll press the command to comment everything, but okay. So that's what we have about the OR and the AND operator. So an example of using both of these operators, or one of them, is if we want to compare, for example, two expressions, 4 is less than 5 and 5 is less than 6. We know, this is 5. We know that the first part of the expression 4 is less than 5 is true, but the second one is false, and it is an AND. What do you expect? True, false, and expect a false. If we run this, we are getting it true. Should that be? So we're having a false, we're having true and false, and okay, sorry, my bad. This is also true. So this is true and this is true. 5 is less than 6 and 4 is less than than 5. Lastly, maybe about this, we can bring in a true false or 0.2 or 0.3 is greater than 5. Oh no, that's not true. And 7 is greater than 3. To run this, we expect a false because this is false. This is true. This is false, and the resulting answer is false on add. So that is it for you guys in this video. Please don't forget to leave a comment, a like, and subscribing to the channel. Bye bye. See you in the next video.